Hi guys, what is up? It is me, Funky Cats Gaming, back with another fun video today. Anyway, before we start anything, make sure you subscribe, like, and click that notification bell. Also, share your video with a friend. That would really be helpful to me. Anyway, let's get started with today's video. So today I'm making another video with, again, my lovely iPad. And yeah. And I would also like you to comment which iPad you have, and yeah. And I will try to look at as much comments as I can. So yeah. Anyway, let's get started. So if you're wondering how my iPad looks like this, pretty aesthetic in my opinion. Please don't make me feel offended on my iPad, guys, in my comments. So yeah. So how you want to do this is you can either get an app like I have that, let me turn my screen around so that way you guys can, okay, so this app has a lot of aesthetic, like, pictures, I guess, and a bunch of other aesthetic stuff for you to change your background with, and yeah. So you're going to need, like, an aesthetic background that kind of shows your personality. Like, here's like an A9 collage thing if you can't see it, and then there's a whole bunch of other random stuff, and you can choose whatever fits your personality. Anyway, so then next, you're obviously, after you choose your background, I know that you have a background now, obviously, and then once you're done with that, you're going to do the same thing with your lock screen. So I'm going to turn my tablet off for a second. But if I do, then yeah, it will show a lock screen. And yeah, so if I click on like the background that I want, let me put my tablet again because we don't want to stop recording. So yeah. And let's say I wanted, this is the one I actually have currently. I feel like it is really cute for my lock screen. So, okay. So after you've done that, the image immediately goes to your gallery. So we want to go to my, photos folder. And we're going to go to photos. And then you should see it. Now, I have two of them because obviously one is my lock screen. And you're going to click on that image. And then you're going to choose the little thing, like the little arrow box thingy, let's just call it that. And then you're going to scroll down until you see the word use as wallpaper. And this is how my lock screen looks. And once you click set, it chooses the option to make you have it as your lock screen or your home screen or just both. But I have this one as my lock screen. I think it looks pretty cute. And then after you're done with changing your background on your lock screen, you're going to want to do some other stuff. And as you can see, my iPad is really organized because I put it into folders. So how you make a folder is I'm going to pull some of my apps out of my extras folder, just to make an example. So let's pull all these out. Okay. There we go. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to like put them together and stuff. And once you see them shaking, don't be worried. You'll know that you're doing the right thing. And you just need to kind of like push down a tiny bit. And yeah. And then after that, you're obviously going to want to rename your folder. So, and we obviously don't want it to be called productivity, because that is like not giving me the like vibe, the aesthetic vibe, So you're going to hold down on your folder, and then when it says once it says the option that says rename, you're going to click on that, and then it will show this screen. So I want to space my letters out just to make it look like a bit more like aesthetic, I guess, or just give me the vibe. So then you're going to like just touch your screen to make it stop shaking. And yeah, so that's all about folders. And there's nothing you really need to change about your lock screen, and yeah. Now the next thing is download some aesthetic cute apps to just kind of like match the background and stuff. There's a whole bunch of YouTube videos, and also check out my own video of aesthetic apps to download. You might recognize these apps. Yeah, so let me give you some ones I definitely recommend, but I'm not gonna get into like a bunch of details like I used to from like the video I made, basically showing you guys like the aesthetic games that give you that vibe, you know. So the ones I would definitely recommend are Happy Hop, Clobbered, Piffle, Tofu Girl, Clobbered, and pretty much all the other games that I have. So if you want to pause and look at my screen, then that is fine. And all of the apps that I currently have are completely free, so you will not need to worry about like blowing all your money. So yeah, there. And then the last thing you're going to want to do is, if you do have Pinterest or something like that, I totally recommend doing that for like your background or something, but I don't have Pinterest, so I guess you will like have to download an app or something that will give you like the wallpaper that you want. But I just use a simple app that makes it like way easier, so I don't have to go through like a million bajillion steps. Anyway, before we end this video, I'm going to edit this folder actually, because I just don't think it like gives me the vibe. So instead of naming it Movies in Time, I'm gonna name it like Electricity, I guess. Oh, no, not a period. Electricity. Wait. I don't think I spelled this right. Okay, and we're missing the T. There, that should be spelled right. I think I have some spelling issues. I like just can't spell, guys. So anyway, I feel like that is it for today's video. If you need like any more information, there are a whole bunch of YouTube videos on this, but I'm gonna end this video off today. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have a lovely day. Make sure you subscribe, like, and click that notification bell. Also, don't forget to share this video with a friend and drop a cute little comment. Anyway, bye!